Today we're over in Lithia, Florida. We're in a community called Creek Ridge Preserve. It's a gated community, 124 premium lots. This 5-bedroom, 4-bath home with an office is absolutely loaded with upgrades. Let's go take a look at it. A little over 3,900 square feet. Look at the exterior. It is gorgeous. 3-car garage, as you can see. Let's go take a look at it. All right, let's go take a deep dive and check out this home. It's the Key Largo II, built by WestBay. You're gonna see it's got sidewalks throughout the community. This is the first home on the left when you come in. You can see right across, there's a nice open common area. You're right close to the gate, so you don't have to go through the whole neighborhood to get to your house, which is really, really nice. This home has not even been lived in yet. And so I wanna show you some of the layout, get an idea. Now you can see they do here, they've got pavers, driveway coming in this way to the 3-car garage. You're gonna see the beautiful tile roof, deluxe landscape package. Let's go take a look at this custom built home. If you're looking for upgrades, this is going for $150,000 worth of upgrades. Yes, you heard that right. That's a lot. Thing is loaded. Let's go in here where it's a little bit cooler. So when you first walk in, you can notice it has the shutters throughout. These are beautiful shutters. Crown molding, tray ceilings. This is gonna be your dining area, nice formal dining room. Stepping back here, here's your office. It has double glass doors, so you could close these and still get some visibility to the front. It's got 3 windows with all the shutters, and again the crown molding. You've got pre-wires up here, so you can select your own fan and light kit, customize that however you would like to. Now wait until you step into this kitchen area. This is absolutely gorgeous. Take a look at this, and they brought this all the way down. Looks like one piece, and stunning. Indirect lighting, drink fridge, all the drawers are all soft close. You can see all the details that went in the cabinetry. Got natural gas out here, so this is great. Who likes to cook with gas? This is the Café edition. If you haven't price shopped on those, that is some upper end appliances. Really, really nice. Let's back up here so you can kind of see. A lot of custom built-ins on this home. It's got the wood beam ceilings. Let's take a look at this kitchen. Big, huge farm sink, and just love this. It's like a, almost like a brass almost looking. And so this is the kitchen pantry. You can see the fridge would go right here. Ceramic tile flooring. It's on a diagonal, which again is a little bit upgraded too. The beautiful wood beams, pre-wired. It's got the surround sound speakers everywhere. Take a look at these custom built-ins here. Really pretty. It's got all the lights, massive TV, fireplace. Again, all the speakers are there. Huge area right here. This is where you're spending a lot of your time. So it's like a triple bedroom split plane. You have the master bedroom over here. You've got additional bedrooms and bath, another bedroom, and then upstairs. I'll show you, can't wait to show you that too. And then like a bonus room in the back. So let's go hit the master suite first. That's where the owners are gonna be staying. So when you go to the right, it's got a nice little grand entrance. By the way, it does have a central vacuum, which is always nice to have. Don't have to lug around a vacuum. Take a look at the double tray ceiling here. I'm sorry, tray ceiling with crown molding in both the tray and the room. Upgraded lighting, and then they even brought a custom built entertainment center right here too. All you do is need your king bed right here. You're talking about a nice view to watch some ESPN, watch some Tampa Bay Buccaneers, wherever your football or baseball or basketball team is. Custom shades, really, really nice. I'll show you those in the main room in just a minute. They were gonna do some painting in here, so they kind of toyed with different paint colors. That's what that is, if you're wondering what the spots on the wall are. Let's go take a look at the huge double kind of just a walk-in and a walk-in closet. So just walk right in here. There are doors to close this. Plenty of shelving. And then right here, guys, you may get that section right there, I don't know. Let me walk you in the master bathroom in a better angle. Walking right through here. Here's the master bath. Take a look at this beautiful sink. Love this. And then this is the same solid surface, gorgeous stone countertop, and then the framed mirrors. Again, the surround sound is all in here. And this marble is all the way up to the ceiling. I mean, just look at that. I mean, everything was upgraded. It's a great shower. Come right in here. Flooring. Turn it on here, and you've even got like a rain shower above it. Here's your toilet room area. Notice this too. All your doors are all the panel doors with the design in them, so those are upgraded too. So this is your master suite, or your primary suite, as we say now. Stand corrected. Let's stay downstairs. But before I do that, I did raise this window treatment. This one is, again, these are all custom deluxe shades, and the way they go up in layers is pretty cool. I should do a video just with the shutter, just with the blinds going up, the window treatments, because they're so nice. But back here, you've got a couple bedrooms, full bath. First of all, you'll see laundry room, beautiful cabinetry, plenty of it, washer, dryer, and there's more space here to do whatever you want. Hanging rack, 3-car garages in that side, nothing much to point out there. Gorgeous bathroom, which is really your guest bathroom. It's where they're gonna use the restroom. Double sinks, the beautiful frame mirrors, and then it's almost like a subway tile in here, all the way up to the ceiling. WestBay did a great job with this home, and again, they loaded it up with upgrades. Some of the furnishings do come with this home, if you're wondering. Into the couple bedrooms here. A few items in it. Here are the closets to the right, and then again, you've got the shutters all throughout. This one has a little bit of a walk-in closet. Not bad. The wire shelving there. So 2 bedroom and 1 bath downstairs toward the front of the house. And then when you hit the back of the house, let's see what we have back here. This was kind of putting some furniture together here. So this is another bedroom. There's your closet. And then you have another bathroom, full bath right here. This is the pool bath. Take a look at this. It's really pretty. Even got a little bit of glitter to it. Again, that bronze, that brushed gold, if you will. Really pretty. And then a shower right behind us with the flooring. Everything's really, and it's still neutral. So you can kind of put whatever colors you'd like to put with it. Oh, here, I'm about to go back here. Let me not get you dizzy. Let's go straight back to the bonus room. So, because this is awesome back here. Look at all the natural light. And then there's French doors to the patio, the under truss patio. So this is a bonus room, playroom, could be a kid's room, extra sitting room. You could put a TV up right above those 2 chairs there. A little over 3,900 square feet. Get an idea of the downstairs. We'll go outside, finish off in just a second. So again, get a look at that room right there. Now upstairs, there is additional living space, and they did some nice upgrades up here too. So let's first of all go straight, and then we're going to come back and go to the left. So straight ahead, you're going to have your massive media room, entertainment room. See it here? Again, you've got all your pre-wires to hang a big screen up here. It's really nice because you can do half and half if you want to do it that way. And this has a mini fridge up here. Love the backsplash on this, and then the really pretty. Feels like a granite or a quartz. I think it's quartz. And then separate AC up here, closet, and then a full bath. You're watching a movie, you need to use the restroom, you got a full bath here, or grab a tub and shower, what have you. How many of you like this dark tile? I think it's really classy looking. It contrasts really nice off the paint. And even with the black frame and the sink hardware, looks really nice. And then another bedroom, which is a nice sized bedroom, because you've got a window here, you've got closet, and then this is one of those windows at the top right of the house when you're facing the exterior. So really it's got this bonus room, media room, one downstairs where that couch was with the French door leading outside. So you talk about a family home or just a home for, you could keep a guest up here, set up a little living room, and then as long as they can get up and down the stairs, that'd be like a separate little living area. So let's go outside as we kind of wrap things up here. A couple things to point out. Again, you've got your speakers up here in the ceiling. 1/2 acre is your lot size, huge. But before I take you back there, these are those French doors off of the back bonus room. And they did have it pre-plumbed here. So if you want to put a sink, I believe that's gas. You can also put a grill, I believe. But again, I need to confirm that. But take a look at this backyard. And your lot size goes all the way back. You can see the neighbor's fence here. I'll walk over there with you in just a second. But you keep on going all the way to the back. And the HOA is going to take care of in back of these trees here. In fact, you can see where the grass is cut to. They're going to take care of everything back here. So we're right in Lithia and Fishhawk right here. And then, but look how big this backyard is. Pool ready, 100%. Easily add a pool there. You can see the next door neighbors have one. And that the fence line is about where everything is, goes all the way back. So plenty of space. There's a little bit of a side lot here, which is maintained by the HOA, but just a gorgeous home. So hope you've enjoyed the tour. Thank you so much for hanging in there during the walkthrough. So would love to show this to you. All my contact information is below. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today on this gorgeous custom home tour. Would love to connect with you, talk with you about your real estate needs if you're looking to buy or sell. And let's connect. My contact information is below. That's my cell phone number. Call or text me, email me, whichever you feel most comfortable with. And then do me a favor, if you would share this video, subscribe to my channel. Whenever I drop more walkthrough videos, you'll get notified and you can watch more walkthrough videos like this gorgeous home. We love doing these. These are a blast. So, hey, have a great day. Thanks so much for tuning in.